Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby clearance haul to share with you. My Hobby Lobby has finally done the markdown on the yarn section, so I'm quite happy to pick up some yarn. I picked up these. They are by Yarn Bee, and it's the Sweet Minis collection, and this is the Frosted Fog. It is 4.2 ounce and it's 300 yards. So I'm thinking that each color is 100 yard. Regular price was $4.29 and I paid $1.07. This is a cute color, right? It's got the gray, the light teal, and the dark blue. And I was thinking that this will go really well with the coastal decor. So I picked up one of those. And then I also picked up this one. This one is Ruby Roo. It's got the dark red, the dark gray, and black. And then I was thinking Halloween, so I picked these up. So this one it's fall, you all. And it's purple, black, and orange. And then I also picked up this one. This one is called Parakeet Parade, and you get the yellow, the orange, and the lime green. That's a cute color combinations, right? Now someone had beat me to the yarn section, and there was areas in the yarn section that were just completely bare already, so I did not see every single item that was on sale. I picked up one of these Yarn Bee yarn also. It is by, well, it is the Gilt Eyelash collection, and it's in Deep Night. It was $6.99 and I paid $1.74. And you get 3 ounces or you get 111 yards, which is good, right? And then this is made 65% polyester, 35% metallic polyester. Look at that, how cute. I love the way it shines. I was hoping the white one would be on sale, but it wasn't. But at least I got the black one, so I'm happy with that one. And I did pick up only one. I also picked up this one. It's also in the Yarn Bee, and it is in the Warm and Cozy collection, and the color is mustard. It was $4.99 and I paid $1.24. So you get 3.5 ounce and 317 yards. And let's see, 78% acrylic, 13% nylon, 9% polyester. But I love the color. It is like the amber color. It's got some black fuzz going through. Look at that. I love the color. I'm not quite positive what I want to do with this, but I knew I had to have it. I picked that one up. Oh, let me read this one. This one is 100% acrylic. The Sweet Minis are. Okay, let me put that aside. And then I also picked up 2 of these. Again, this is by Yarn Bee. And then this is the Lush Loft collection. And I picked up the white one. You get 3.5 ounce, 131 yards. It was $5.49 and I paid $1.37. I like this one because look at this. It's a white fuzzy yarn, and it has a metallic iridescent color thread going through. Cute, right? I love it. I picked up 2 of these. Nice. Quite happy with those. And then the last yarn I picked up was this one. This is by Sinfonia. and it is 100% mercerized cotton. I have no idea what that means. Anyhow, it's in the color Blanco. You get 3.52 ounce and it's 218 yards. And where's the price? Oh, here we go. It was $5.99 and I paid $1.62. I picked this one up because look at this. It's like a very thick thread. So you can use this to sew, or you can use it in a tassel. You can use it to cord things. I like it. I don't remember if they had a black one. I would think I would like a black one. It was not on sale if they did have black, which is why I did not buy it. So yeah, I'm quite happy I found a white one though. I really should have picked up two, but when I go back this week, maybe they'll still have it. I'll take a look again. So these are all the yarns I picked up. And then besides all this, I went back down my jewelry aisle and I've noticed they have some new stuff marked down. Because when they did the first markdown, you know, after it sold down, they removed everything, right? They took away all the clearance items. So now they have new stuff that I don't know if this is like just extra inventory or this is something they just did not mark down in the first cycle. So I picked up the beading needles in size 11, and you get 4 beads or 4 beading needles. Regular price was $9.99 and I paid $2.49. I tried to look through the glass when I was at the store because excuse me, because I was wanting the needle with a very skinny eye. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see. Right here. I needed one that's very narrow because I need it for my size 15 beads. Well, looking at this, it might still be a little, just a little wide, but I'll give it a try. I may need the next size down, but I know they had a size 10 and a size 11. I didn't see any other sizes. So, and it comes in its own cute little case, which is good. And that is my Hobby Lobby clearance haul for the week. Some of the yarns that I wanted didn't go on clearance, so, you know, I mean, it wasn't to where I am not going to survive if I don't buy clearance yarn. Eventually I will just pay regular 30% off, but this is what I came home with on this trip. I'm quite happy with it. But, you know, now that thinking about it, I probably should get another one of these. And if any of these are left, I will probably pick up another set. You know, I try not to buy everything on my first trip. I'll pick up initially I'll pick up what I think I really need. And then when I'll go back and then take another look and see what else I might want. But I'm happy with my choice so far. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.